Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 7 ways to use the dictionary comprehension syntax in Python. Number 1, the syntax for dictionary comprehension is key:value for item in iterable with an optional if condition in curly braces. Here I'm creating a new dictionary called new dict1 from an existing dictionary if the value contains the keyword property. However, you can do the same thing in one line using the dictionary comprehension syntax. Number 2, you can also change the name of the keys in the new dictionary. Here I'm duplicating the name twice when creating the new dictionary called new_dict2. Number 3, the if condition in the dictionary comprehension syntax is optional. In this example, I got rid of the if property in value condition. Number 4, you can also use the range function as the iterable to say store the squares of numbers. Here I'm storing the squares of numbers in the range of 1 to 10. Number 5, you can have multiple if conditions in the dictionary comprehension syntax. Here I'm saying only store the squares of numbers if the number is even and the number is greater than 5 and the number is less than 8. Number 6, you can also use if-else in the key:value section. Here I'm saying store the value in the key value pair as odd if n%2 is not equal to 0, else make it even. Number 7, you can also use a nested dictionary comprehension syntax if you're parsing a nested dictionary. In this example, I'm creating a new nested dictionary called new_dict7 if the outer key contains the keyword property. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.